Today we are trying out pepper soup pizza and catfish pizza. Yes, you heard me right. Pepper soup pizza and catfish pizza. Domino's Nigeria has decided to release 2 new pizza flavors into the Nigerian market: pepper soup pizza and catfish pizza. I'm saying it a lot and I know it's because I'm trying to just wrap my head around. If you do not know, Domino's is an American pizza chain, and I've eaten from Domino's before. Don't hate it, but I don't love it. A lot of people give Domino's a lot of flack for their flavors and for, like, you know, trying so hard. For example, they had meat pie pizza and they have shawarma pizza, but people don't seem to understand that this is what Domino's does. Like, it's part of their MO. I watch a couple of Japanese YouTubers, and one of them that I follow, Akidiris, actually tried out boba pizza, actually tried out tsundere pizza. If Domino's is in your country, they're gonna come in with their classic flavors, but they're also going to find a way to adapt pizza to your flavors. I'm very surprised there's no amala pizza. And Domino's, if you are watching this, just try it. I'm genuinely curious how you're gonna do that. Just please do it for the memes, do it for the content. Domino's, you should do it for the content. You should make amala pizza for the content. I'm already laughing like. So today I'm going to try out 2 of their newest flavors: pepper soup pizza and catfish pizza. We are at Domino's. Well, not there like at yet, but we're across the street from Domino's, where I shall be ordering the delicacies of today. We are back at home, and here we have it. We have the new flavors right here: catfish, pepper soup. I'm gonna open it up right now. Okay, it doesn't look bad. This is obviously the pieces of catfish. We also have green pepper, we also have onions, and it looks like we have pepper, like atarudo, in there as well. So here is the pepper soup. You can obviously see the pepper soup sauce on top of it. That is what I'm interested in trying out. Which one should I try first? I'm thinking I should try the pepper soup first, because that's the one that made me really want to do this video. The sauce tastes like pepper soup. That's the only thing. Like, I can feel it. I can feel it, honestly. But it's not terrible. Does it taste like pepper soup? Yeah, kinda. The pepper soup sauce on top does carry notes of pepper soup. I don't know if I really like it though. Such an interesting. I think my brain and my mouth are confused. It's not bad. But my brain is like, what is this? My brain is like, these flavors don't belong together. What are we doing? So I'm like confused. But it doesn't taste bad. It does taste like pepper soup. It's not the strongest pepper soup flavor, but I can definitely taste it. The pepper soup pizza does not have the marinara red sauce that is on pizza. If I was gonna rank the pepper soup flavor over 10, I'd rank it 6. It's too dry. Yeah, it's a little bit too dry. Something's just missing, but it tastes like pepper soup. Now is the catfish pizza. I definitely prefer the catfish to the pepper soup. If you removed the pieces of catfish on top, this could have been like a spicy vegetarian pizza. It's not even that spicy. I actually want to taste the catfish on its own to see what it tastes like. It's not bad. It's not bad at all, actually. If I had to pick which one I like better, it's definitely the catfish. And that is because it is much more saucier. I feel like if they were going to make this pepper soup pizza, the pepper soup sauce should have been the base. And it also should have been way more flavorful. Right now, it's really, really dry, as you see. It's just green pepper, a little bit of that sauce on top, a piece of chicken and cheese. So the bread to me is really dry. With the difference here, like, you get the bread, you get the sauce. I need that additional sauce. I feel like they should have just made the pepper soup sauce like the base of the pizza. Pepper soup pizza gets a 6/10 from me, and catfish pizza gets a 7.5/10 from me. Domino's isn't my go-to pizza place, but if I saw these at a party, I would still eat them. I would just definitely reach for the catfish more than I'll reach for the pepper soup. I did not talk about something that really annoyed me about these pizzas. They're really expensive. When I went to Domino's to order these pizzas, I thought they would be at most $3.5. Why is this pizza, the smallest size by the way, costing me 4,200 naira, Domino? Like, I get their special flavors, but 4,200? I think that's a bit too much, especially since it's the smallest size. They don't even have a small anymore. Now they have just a medium and a large. Like this pizza that I just finished eating by myself and I just showed the whole world cost 4,200 naira? Yeah, it's a bit too expensive. But yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this little video of me trying out the new Domino's flavors. If you've tried them out, let me know. Leave me a comment below. Let's have a conversation. Thank you so much once again for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. Please do me a huge favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up so it tells YouTube and the algorithm that my videos and my content is awesome. And don't forget to be awesome. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.